Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are drawing and coloring alphabets. Subscribe to our channel. First we are mixing and using the color blue. And kids, first we are draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. The alphabet of B. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat, and the next one is D. The alphabet of D, and the next one is E. Now we are using the color of blue, and the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabet of G, and the next one is H. H for hand. We are again using the color of blue. H for hand. And the next one is I. I for eyes, I for ice cream. And the next one is J. J for jackfruit. The next one is K. K for kite. L for lion of lemon. And the next one is M. M for moon, and for mango, and for nose, and for nest. The next one is O. O for orange, A for octopus. And the next one is P. P for parrot. Q for queen. And the next one is R. R for rose. R for round. The next one is S. Sun is for snake, T, U, and the next one is V, W, W for wheel, X for Xmas tree, Y, and the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching. Hello everyone, now we are drawing coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, now we are using the color of black. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. Now we draw the B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is D. D for dollhouse. And the next one is E. For elephant. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we're using black color. And the next one is G. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. And the next one is I. I for eyes, I for ice cream. J for jackfruit. K for kite. And the next one is L. L for lion, and for lemon. And the next one is M. M for moon, and for mango. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is N. N for nose, and for nest. Kids, the next one is O. O for orange, and for octopus. The next one is P. And the next one is Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, or for rice. And the next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. T for teacher, T for tiger. And U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. The next one is W. And the next one is Y. Y for yoke. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.